Here is how to hide all your photos and posts on Facebook without locking your account. Open Facebook and go to your profile. Then tap the three dots on your cover photo. From there, go into your profile settings and select Activity Log. In case you don't see that option there, you can also find it by going to the main settings, tapping your activity, and then selecting Activity Log. Once you're in Activity Log, you tap your Facebook activity, then go to Posts and select Manage Posts. After that, you tap Filters, choose Categories, then select your posts, photos, and videos. Next, scroll all the way down to the last photo so Facebook loads everything. Once all your posts are loaded, you can go back to the top and tap All to select everything at once. Then, you tap the three dots in the bottom right, select Change Audience, and you can then choose who you want to see your posts, either friends or only me. Finally, confirm by tapping Change Audience, and that is it. All your posts and photos will no longer be visible to the public without needing to lock your account.